get you. Black net. Spin. 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 Please. Spare my life. Spin. Please. 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 Spin.
This is how I want my life to be. Feeling so high, feeling alright. Nothing else really matters tonight. That is how it is, people, can't you see? I'ma get it on, so don't step to this. This is how I want my life to be. Feeling so high, feeling alright. Nothing else really matters tonight. That's how it is, people, can't you see? I'ma get it on, so don't step to this.
I am married without being lost. Weed is my wife, that's why they call me outlaw. Smoking weed is not a crime at the beginning of your time. I made everything in weed and I said it was good. They'll be judging me when I smoke weed in the hood. If you hate my wife, I'ma hate you too. I'ma kiss her right now. Tell me what you gonna do. Let me introduce you to the members of my crew. Annie, I love you more than money. 20, I won't say you were sweeter than honey. Jake, you're my number one homie. When I smoke and drink, got the urge of a clip. I get high, so high, like my man Jimmy Clip. I picture my future, I see myself in my limo, smoking Indo with all them girls by my side. It's gonna be so fun, like paradise. In case you won't ask, my name is Peter Rock. Shorty's call me dangerous, cause when I step on the beats, I get serious. I'm making all the player haters go furious. Come on, take me to the chorus.
This is how I want my life to be. Feeling so high, feeling alright. Nothing else really matters tonight. That is how it is, people, can't you see? I'ma get it on, so don't step to this. This is how I want my life to be. Feeling so high, feeling alright. Nothing else really matters tonight. That's how it is, people, can't you see? I'ma get it on, so don't step to this.
Yeah. But them again say no. Yeah. Spoils on the war we want share today. So me say spoils on the war we want share today. Yes, it's under my time, everything we do, we praise it all out to Jano and tell me something. Say me like me, oh boy. Me like everyone up in this place, oh. Hey.
This is how I want my life to be. Feeling so high, feeling alright. Nothing else really matters tonight. That is how it is, people, can't you see? I'ma get it on, so don't step to this. This is how I want my life to be. Feeling so high, feeling alright. Nothing else really matters tonight. That's how it is, people, can't you see? I'ma get it on, so don't step to this.
No part to listen, I'm too daft to listen and watch who we listen to rhyme schemes and this shit. Got your brain to the Grim Reaper, I'm a grimly speaker, tighter than your Adidas. Can you picture the rhyme, the son of a time? We're getting down with the rhyme and you're feeling me loud. Whoa, better than 50 cent, 100%. You can pay me a cent, save your last sentence. I can make it last longer than a jail sentence. Whoa, toe with a 4-4, he's to me and I, Rastafari, bless.
Guys, it's almost time. I have to go and see Nina.
Oh my God.
Nina.
Nina, hey, why I give you this? You want Nina to go see
Hey.
Wait.
The last time it was Tina.
Alicia. I know all of them. And now it's Nina. Wait, tell me something.
That was different.
Hey. Oh, but wait. Wait, man, tell us who are the Nina, man. Who are the Nina girl?
Nina. The newest sensation, man.
Even if I try, you won't understand.
Oh,
Nina
is,
guys, she's just the best. But I don't understand. She's just born again type.
Come on. Wait. What's that? She's a born again type, right? Wait, me ask something. So that's the problem, yeah? Don't you think you be the problem? Yes, no, the problem. See, that's no problem. But you be the problem, man.
I've told you, you love the sound of your voice too much. Let me tell you,
Tell me I don't love the cooking of your mother.
She's soft, quiet.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like my heartbeat.
Shake your body, get up now. Shake what your mama gave you. Shake your body, get up now. Move your body, get up now. Shake your body. baby?
Get your
Are
hands
you
up.
crazy? Don't you are lazy?
What?
When you move, it looks so shady. Step on the dance floor, I like you one more. I've got enough flow. I don't wanna be slow. Shake your body,
Jiggy do,
make
huh?
we carry that go.
Shake the body, mommy. Wet that money, mommy. Move the body like a snake. Holla if you want me. No house rules. You can do, get juice. We could cruise around town. Tara, baby, make you choose. I know stand to lose. I'm one hell of a gangster. Look in my eyes. I never been a prankster. Tara, wahala, haba. Shake your big caboose. You come through like a Honda holla. Your body for Gucci. Your sweet mouth meant for sushi. Thank God, say you be my cutie, my truly Snoopy Julie. This is a dassy, truly yours. She can do nasty and classy. What?
Shake your body, get up now. Move your body, get up now. Shake your body, get up now. Shake what your mama gave you. Shake your body, get up now. Move your body, get up now. Shake your body, get up now. Shake what your mama gave you.
My heart, my soul, my gold, the queen. I'm the king, baby girl. We could do anything. Truly yours, so I see. No be saying anything, but you see your love day, nasty and classy. Anytime you come through, my heart go there, go boogum, like the beats that pump out of pure gold. We could go home like the story's told. Baby girl, we could ride from the early morn till the sun is gone. 20 I'm yours. Anytime I represent, I'm a gangster till I die. I get high off this liquor and stuff, and you got me going crazy. I never get enough. Talk to him.
Shake your body.
So,
All right.
what do you guys think?
I'm good. You want to see the head?
So, man, you're in.
Me, man.
Yeah,
Man.
Catch you, man. Catch you. Hey, you guys just go. Just go. Just go. So, man, we'll see you guys later. Keep it real later.
Put you in a show.
So, man, that's good.
What again?
counts.
Who?
You need a girl to talk about.
Nina.
Hey, guys.
Wangu. Wapi man? Because our lady will leave. The books. I don't want.
Hey, guys.
Where are you going to?
Nina. You are really looking dazzling. Sure.
Thank you. Meet my friend, Lisha.
Oh.
Lisha.
Alicia.
Nice meeting you.
Okay.